Callaloo. You see them? I am gonna go cut some now.
Hey!
Hey, good morning. Welcome back to my channel, my lovely people.
So you see where she usually say Mama P's in the kitchen today, but she's not in the kitchen.
Yes,
Where you
I'm
at,
in the
Mom?
garden. I'm gonna be cutting some callaloo. You know, every summer I have callaloo, so I'm gonna be cooking up a storm with callaloo and saltfish today.
Nice, nice.
I have another video already with just the callaloo itself, but today I will be blending it with some saltfish.
Awesome.
Yes.
All right, Mom, so take it away.
And
Look
you
how
see
big.
they are.
Yes.
So I'm not gonna cut a whole lot. But
Wait, Mom, let me see that. Show the camera how
yeah,
big it is.
They're big.
Hey,
My
look at-
callaloo this year, they are very big.
Yeah, so she got them going.
Yes, so I'm gonna cut a few of them.
Every time, like every year it happens, we always try to get as much as we can. I mean, they do grow a lot.
And when you get the callaloo from the garden, they're fresh like this. They are so nice. When you cook them, ooh, they are so nice. And so look at this one.
Let me see. Oh, wow.
Look, this. Yep, this one is so big. Wow.
You hear the lawnmower. A lot of the neighbors are next door mowing.
All right.
And you know, guys, in the future, what we'll do, we're gonna do a garden tour. We just haven't done anything yet because it's been a while since we've even shown you guys the garden. But this is how it's been so far. But like, we'll do a updated video on the garden and let you guys see everything. Oh, what you said, Mom?
I think this amount is okay for today.
Oh, for today? All right.
Look, I'm gonna pick one of my cucumbers.
Oh, for the salad?
Yeah, look at this guy. Look how big.
Look at that. Look how huge. Yes.
Yeah. I'm just gonna show you how I cleaned up one of them because at the other video I showed you. So you take off all these strings off there because if you don't take them off, somebody asked me about them. Why take it? So if you don't take them off, they're gonna let the callaloo tough. And you don't want the callaloo to taste tough and stringy in your mouth. So you take off.
Yeah,
all
so you gotta make sure you scrape it. And guys, like I said, there's a video also, our own video. I'm just gonna put the link in the description.
And then I'm gonna wash them with some salt and some salt water to get off like the bugs and stuff like that. All right, so I see you in a bit. While I'm cleaning the callaloo, I'm just gonna scald my saltfish for a little bit. Not for long. I don't really want it boiled too much. I just want to scald it off. Alright, so let me turn that on. Alright. So I'm gonna cut this just to show you guys how I do it. Guys, this green is this packed with nutrient. You get iron from it. It's like spinach or a little
No, Mom,
softer.
it's different. One is callaloo and one is
Yeah,
spinach.
but it's packed with a lot of nutrient because
Yes.
with the green you get a lot of iron from this. Yeah. See, guys, nice bowl of cut up callaloo. Alright, so I'm gonna turn my stove off because I scalded the callaloo. The saltfish, I didn't want it cooked too much. So I'm gonna take it to the sink and put some cold water in there.
How long did you put the hot water, like scald it for how long?
I just scald it for maybe it was
10 minutes?
about 10-15 minutes from boiling up until so. I'm just gonna leave that there to cool down, and then I clean it up, take off all those skins and everything off there. Alright, so here I have 2.5 cups of all-purpose flour. And I'm going to put my baking powder in there. Because I'm going to fry them.
How much you going to use, Mom?
So I'm going to use about 1.5 tablespoons of baking powder. Alright, so I'm going to put a little salt in there. 1/2 teaspoon of salt. You know, you have to put a little salt in there, not too much because you don't want it fresh, but at the same time you don't want it too salty either.
And you see she's just adding water little by little.
You can use a hand too, but I'm just doing it this way for now until I get it together. This is cold water. Alright, that's a little bit too soft, so I'm going to sprinkle a little bit of flour over it. It's a little bit too soft. See guys, if you need it and it's a little bit too soft, then you just sprinkle a little bit more flour in here and get it together. Alright, so this is my dough. I'm going to leave it there for a little while.
What's a little while, Mom? Like 15?
Until I'm ready to fry it, it doesn't matter. And it will just stay there and get soft and fluff itself up. So let me cover it and leave it there. Okay, so I'm cleaning up the saltfish. Take off these skins.
Yeah, she has to debone the fish.
I'll follow that. All these skins, because you see the skin, it have scale in there. I don't want the scale in my callaloo, so.
And the bones too. You don't want the bones either.
And they also have boneless saltfish in the pot. But I don't think the flavor is as good as the one with the bones. So I like to use this sometimes. Depends on what I'm cooking. I don't want to mush them up either. I want nice pieces so we can actually taste the saltfish in the callaloo. And this is like a pound of saltfish I use. Alright, so that's it. Little bit of scotch because I don't want it to be hot, but just because I'm putting the fish and everything in there, I'm just gonna put a little bit of scotch in there. I don't want the callaloo to be hot, and that's it. All right. So let me kick it off now with putting some oil in my pot.
She just put a little bit, guys. She's not measuring, but just, you know.
Let me see. This probably is about 3 tablespoons. Because you see over here, you have a lot of callaloo. Alright, let me put my garlic in. Let's stir that in a little bit, just to get out some of that garlicky taste. But I like to put garlic in my stuff. Let me go in with my onion. My green onion. Green onion. I'm I'm leaving my pepper for the last. Alright, I'm gonna go in with my tomato.
And scotch bonnet.
Yeah, just a little bit of scotch because remember it's vegetable, you don't want it to be
overpowering.
Yeah. You don't want any heat in your callaloo. I might just drop one old one on the top here too. I just want flavor. Flavor! Let me go in with my bell peppers. Alright, I'm gonna go in with my saltfish. Ooh, that looks good already. Alright, I'm gonna sprinkle a little black pepper and the seasoning salt and the all-purpose seasoning. I'm gonna put my butter in too. Okay, so now it's time for the callaloo. And the callaloo don't have to cook that long. Maybe 15 minutes, 20 minutes. It will be cooked. Turn it down to medium heat. I'm gonna put some more. A little at a time. We like callaloo, guys, so we put in a lot of callaloo in here. Maybe this is a little bit much, but
we're callaloo lovers.
Yeah. We don't mind if the callaloo overpower the saltfish and all that because we just love it.
Yeah, see guys, don't add water to this.
Put any water in here. Yes, I'm gonna cover this up for a few minutes, maybe 3 minutes, and then I'll be right back. Alright, now 3 minutes up, so let me check it. You'll see how it's going down? That's what I want. It's going down. Down, down, down. And so let me sprinkle my seasoning over the callaloo now. Seasoning salt, black pepper, all-purpose seasoning, a pinch of salt. You see, look at the water. You see how much water is springing?
Yeah, so see guys, you don't have to put any water.
Any water in the callaloo. See? Alright. I'm gonna cover it like for maybe 2 minutes and I'm done. Let's see. Alright, so this is done, it seems like. Nice. Alright, so I'm just gonna put that in there for flavor.
And you see guys, she didn't cut it.
And this is cooked. I'm gonna turn off my stove.
Yes, turn it off, Mom.
And that's it. See guys, nice pot of callaloo. That tastes so good.
Yes, Mom.
Alright, getting ready to fry my dumplings. So let's check my dough. My dough is nice and fluffy and ready to go. Let me pour the oil in the pot now to fry my dumplings. I like to make small dumplings when I'm frying them. I don't like them to be too big. Okay, so this is how I roll up my dumplings. Let's check to see if my hair is hot. Alright, so I'm gonna start putting my dumplings in. That's 1, 2,
See, they start to get a bit golden now.
Mm-hmm.
You see, she keeps turning them. You gotta make sure the inside is cooked.
Inside is cooked, yeah.
Yeah, the dough's not raw.
So some of them are fried, so I'm taking them out. Okay, there you have it, guys. Look at all that goodness. Callaloo with fried dumpling and fried plantain. Guys, please like the video, share the video, and if you have not yet subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. It really helps the algorithm. And thank you guys, and God bless, and I will see you in another one.